Hello, Anushka Lenige here again with the DBMS video assignment. Now with question set 10. So, you know the deal. Let's get right into it. So, this is the Jagdigola Central College. So basically, um this particular school has only 15 students and 5 teachers, and one of them is the principal of the school. The principal has decided to make a to add all the students' details in a student attendance marking software that essentially makes it easy. That essentially makes it easy to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly. So I'm going to put on the shoes of a reputed database engineer uh, who is instructed by the principal to create a database. That's while another developer is developing the rest of the components. So details here we have student student data right here. Uh, the student table which is the number of student, the name, the date, the grade, the village they come from, and the means of transport, and then grade. What grades do we have? It's a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in the village they come from, so ladies, probably here, Tale, and so on. The transport table consists of the transportation methods for the students: bus, foot, on foot, motor bicycle, just bicycle, and a school van. So they made tables like this. So in C, um, these are not the actual grade. So this is not the actual grades of the students. This is actually the same as the ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All these are within the 1 to 6 number range. So imagine Samantha Kumar, he has 6 in the column there. That means going down to this table, I will refer to this table. He's in grade 11. So these are the actual grades of student 6, 10, 11. So same goes for the village. So this is also between the 1 to 6 number range. So this is also between 1 to 6 number range. So in the mark area he gets a 2. It's a 2 here. So which means he comes from Bullnever village. See 2. So that's how basically. So it's the transportation method. So Amal also comes on 2 as a 2 here, which means he comes on foot. He comes by walking. So that's basically what these numbers indicate. They are directly reference to this. This is done to prevent much data repeating data. So it is done to do that. So it saves significant amount of data, especially data that is normally repeated the villages. So students from the village can come from the same. The students in the school can come from the same village. So it's gonna so they are gonna have to give writing the full names of these villages here, and that will take a lot of data. That will take a lot of data. So reduce the data. So will take up a lot of data in this particular database system. So to avoid that, we just put this method right here. So this is here, create a database called named Tambico Level School and insert the data to these tables. So I went ahead and already created a database, and it is here the database, grade, student, transportation table, and the village table. So everything I have created here, and I've added the data. So grade table, the student table, here, transportation table, and the village table. So that's what it is. Now I've already created them. So now after we have created this database, the principal has come to check the integrity, see bugs. So he has given you some scenarios to run through the database. So to write queries for this, especially join queries, which are in the same league as update, select, insert, delete queries. So basically they join tables together. They join tables. So we'll be using a join query, specifically inner join queries to for these questions right here. There are many other join queries such as left join, right join, full join. So for this we'll be using inner join, which takes data which is which has similar values, like two tables which have similar values within the respective tables, and uses that to join them. So you are gonna use a join query for if you want to join student and grade table, for instance, using inner join. So these values here are the same as here in the ID table. These are basically the same. So with that you can use that, and you can use that to join the two tables using join query. So also same as with the student table and the village. So these numbers are same as here in the ID column. So with using these two columns, in these respective tables, inner join joins these two. Same also with the transportation table, same values. So let's get into it. So I have now a new query tab opened over here. So first, principal has given us the first scenario is select all students who study in grade 6. Use join query. So let's get right into it. So we are going to use the select statements. This is essentially a select statement. Select all. So we're going to use the star mark on, and we're going to write the name of the database and the table. So always make sure when you're writing the database name, when you click on the after you write that, and then you click, then you're gonna type in a full stop. This table should pop up, so that means you wrote this right. So after that you can select now student. Okay, so select all from whatever student who study in grade 6. So we need to join this table and this table. So like I said before, how are we going to do that? We're using these values here, in the using these particular values, because they're basically the same. So I'm gonna type in join and write down the same as just write the database name dot the same as this. So write down grade. So same like this on, and then we're going to write on. So after writing this on keyword, you have to write which columns have the same values in this. So which columns have the same values in both of these tables. So between these tables, which columns have the same values. So I'm going to type student, that's the table name, dot, and then you will see the column names, grade, then equals, then I'm going to write down the grade table dot ID, because that's what those are the same. So this is this grade column in the student table and the ID column in the grade table. So that, so we have joined this, and now we are going to write where. So where clause this time would be grade 6. So we have to find out all students who study in grade 6. So I'm gonna write down grade, write down the grade table, and then dot this other grade column here, which contains the actual grade values. So 6, 7, 8 grades. This is where the actual grades are. And then I will write 6. So let's see if that worked. So let's see if that works. So select all students who study in grade 6. Alright, okay, so we have got some values here. So that's it there. So we got got Sita Kanchana. So we got his name here, right? So what's his grade? So down here, what's his ID? Grade ID is 1. Go down here, his ID was 1, and what's the respective grade? 6. So he is in grade 6. Right, that's good. Then Salih Uduvani. Let's go up to him. So his one is also 1. Go down here, ID 6. He's in grade 6. Right, that's good. And then Haridu Damsar. Go down here. See, where are you? Here we go. He's also grade ID is 1, 1, 6. Boom. So they're all three in grade 6. So far only the three people are there in three people who attend the school are in grade 6. So we have 3 values here. So that's good, right? Good. So now let's move on to the next question here. Okay, then this comes a little bit the complicated part. Select the birthdays of the students who come from Padaviya by bus. So we have to select the birthdays, the birth dates here, of the students who come from Padaviya village, and also by bus. So we're gonna have to inner join these 3 tables: student, village, and transport. So let's do that. So let's do that. So write a new thing. So I'm gonna write select birthdays, right? So write birthdays. Alright, so select birthdays there from student table, right? And I'm gonna inner join. First, I'm gonna join the village table, yeah. So then say the village ID here, the numbers here, and the numbers in the village ID column are the same. So they're basically the same. So let's do it. So say student village equals village dot ID. So the ID columns. ID column here. So these two are the same. This is basically the village ID. So join those, and also and I'm going to write inner join again because we need to join the transportation table. So like that. Right, so transportation and on right on so basically uh, this is also like the transportation ID. So these values here are basically same to this. So as stated earlier, down student dot transport column equals now the transportation table dot and the ID column, right? So we have linked so we have linked the village. So this is where we linked the village table, and then this is where we linked the transportation transportation table to the student table. So I'm gonna write now the where clause, and here we go. So where so they should come from Padal. So write the village table name, the actual village names. So that should be Padavia, and transportation method should be by bus. So that should be by bus, right? Okay, so see if this worked. Just double check on some stuff. All right, so see if this works. All right, so we have two birthdays here, right? So we got two birthdays here. So let's see what these are. So 2005 to 12, right? So let's see. Okay, so this is Saman Kumar right here. First birthday. So what's his transportation method? One in the ID. It's equal to bus. He comes by bus. Nice. All right, then the second one, yeah. Let's see. All right, here we are. Himali Sirivardhana. She also has a one in our transportation method. That's also bus, right? So right, so that's how it is. So and the village, so let's see, someone who is one, that's Padavia. So it's village 1, Padavia, right? And then Himali Sirvadana, she is also 1. She comes by Padavia 2. Right here. Okay, nice. Nice. Alright. Cool. Right. Then next question is select the names of students who study at grade 9 and count from Hintale on foot. Right. So let's see. Select the names. We need the names. Specific. So select name. So name. So we are gonna have to join the grade table and the village table and the transport table. So all 4 we need to join. So we're gonna have to do that. So let's see how we do it. First, I'm gonna join the village grade table here too. Grade table here. Grade table. So and down okay, same as before, like this first question. Link these right there. Okay, right, and that's how we do that. Right, and that's how we do it. So now our clause is study grade 9 comes from Hintale and on foot. The transportation methods are on foot. So write down our clauses in this. So grade table and the grade column. Here actual grades are stored. And 9. And this time the village will be Hintale. Transportation would be foot. So just double check. Answers right. Right. So I'm gonna run this. So just double check with you. So we did the same thing. Select name and then we join the grade table, village table, and then the transportation table. And then this is our where clauses. The grades are 9, date is mean, transportation foot. So let's run this. So we have two names here, Vatsala, Shani, and I'm going to do the same. So let's check them. So Vatsala, Shani, grade number ID is 4, so 4 come down here, grade 9, right? And that's 4, also 4 in the village ID, 4 come down here, it's Intal, nice. Right, so far so good. And then the transportation system is a check 2 means foot, nice, right? Okay, and then I'm going to do the same. So here's a 4 goes to 9, grade 9, another 4 in the village ID, Nintale, transportation foot, right? And checking so so essentially these two are the only people who studying grade 9 who comes from Nintale on foot. So looking at these two tables here, so basically that's how we use inner join queries. So a little bit more advanced than the typical other SQL queries. So I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.